In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Fortnite account on MacBook Air. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear and easy to follow instructions for you to set up your own Fortnite account to play on your MacBook Air. All that you have to do is create an Epic Games account. To start this process, look for the Epic Games website on Google and you will arrive at this page. You can also go to the Fortnite website alternatively, but assuming that you are on the Epic Games website at store.epicgames.com, you will be able to start the process of creating your Fortnite account by clicking on this little user icon. So if you look at the navigation bar, you can click on this little user icon. You will then be redirected to this page, and this is where you can start the process of setting up the account. So in here, you will have to sign in or sign up using an email address or choose any of the available services here. Even if you don't already have an account, you can click any of the services presented here. For this video, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to type a random email address. But of course, you can type any email or any option here. When you type an email address and you click continue, it is going to be verified, and if it notices that no account exists with that email address attributed, you can now move on to the other steps and start the process of creating the account. So you will have to include your date of birth, choose your country, first name, last name, the display name that you want to use, and a custom password. Make sure that you read and agree with the terms of service, and you will be able to click continue and finish the process of creating your account. Now, after this, you can go ahead and find a way to play Fortnite on your MacBook Air. I'm not going to go too in-depth in this video, but you can try the Epic Games Launcher or by using some cloud streaming service. As long as you created the account and you are ready to sign in, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Fortnite account on MacBook Air. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.